Earning $1,000 in 3 months from home translates to roughly $333 per month. Here are some strategies to achieve that. 1. Freelancing. Skills: writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, video editing, etc. Platforms: Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, Guru, TopTal. Potential earnings: varies by skill and experience, but many freelancers earn well over $333 per month once they've established themselves. 2. Online tutoring. Subjects: mathematics, science, language, music instruments, etc. Platforms: VIP Kid, Chegg Tutors, Tutor.com, Skillshare. Potential earnings: tutors often earn $20 per hour or more. 3. Sell products online. Methods: dropshipping, selling handmade crafts, or reselling items. Platforms: Etsy, eBay, Amazon, Shopify. Potential earnings: depends on product markup and sales volume. 4. Online surveys and reviews. Platforms: Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, MTurk. Potential earnings: varies, but many platforms offer several surveys a day, worth $1, $5 each. 5. Affiliate marketing. Method: promote products, services on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. Earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Platforms: Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, ClickBank. Potential earnings: highly variable. Depends on your audience size. 6. Blogging or YouTube channel. Monetization: advertisements, Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsored content. Potential earnings: varies based on traffic and niche. Even small blogs or channels can earn $333 per month if they target the right niche. 7. Remote part-time job. Jobs: customer service, virtual assistants, data entry, etc. Platforms: remote.co, we work remotely, flex jobs. Potential earnings: many part-time remote jobs pay more than $10 per hour. 8. Rent out your space or items. Method: rent out an extra room, parking space, or items like cameras or bikes. Platforms: Airbnb, for rooms or homes, Turo, for cars, Fat Llama, for items. Potential earnings: varies by location and demand. 9. Create and sell digital products. Products: e-books, online courses, digital designs, software. Platforms: Udemy, Gumroad, Teachable. Potential earnings: depends on the price and demand for your product. 10. Stock photography. Method: if you're a photographer, sell your photos. Platforms: Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images. Potential earnings: each photo can sell multiple times. Top photographers earn thousands, but even amateurs can earn the target amount if they have a good portfolio.